Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're going to build one of the new summer heart boxes today because they are really cute. So at the beginning of the year, they released a whole heap that were just themed for each of the girls. This time they're themed for each of the girls, but they've got like a watery, summery theme, and the colors in Andrea's were so adorable, and it comes with one of the new rubber duckies. I'm so much more excited about this than I am about having Andrea in the set. Is that wrong? I think that's a little bit wrong, but how cute is this? Oh my goodness, look at the little rubber ducky. Okay, we'll put him there. Okay, we'll go and we'll build Andrea. Andrea has got a brand new swimsuit top here, and it's really cute, and it's got just lovely colors for Andrea. I don't know whether this comes in any of the other sets, but we're gonna we'll see that as we build the other summer sets. I'm sure it does. I'm pretty sure it won't be exclusive to this heart box, but it's so cute. And the heart boxes are so cheap. It's such an easy way to get really new, easy way to get minifigures and pieces. Plus, you've got a little trinket box that you can use later for storing your stuff. Look at that rubber ducky. It's just the most adorable thing. You hold on to that, Andrea, because otherwise I might have to steal it. She also comes with an ice cream, which she also came with in the first box, but this is a different coloured ice cream. So she always has ice cream by the looks of it. She's also got a little floaty thing because we're completely water themed this year for our summer sets, which is cool. She's actually got a whole pool that's themed around her. So her little floaty has got a little duck or swan beak and tail. It's just a teeny tiny brick built one, but she's just gonna have so much fun in this. She's also got an umbrella, a very small umbrella to shade her while she's in her little heart pool. Oh, we can use it just for shading the duck. It's all about the duck for me. The rubber ducky. I need a whole lot of them. I need a whole collection. I need a whole little army of rubber duckies. And hold on, but then we need like a big rubber ducky so that they can all follow along. The little rubber duckies behind the big rubber ducky. Is that ever going to happen? I don't know. But the tiny rubber ducky is just so cute and so small and so adorable, and I'll concentrate on actually building the heart box. So we've got the bottom of the heart box in. It's actually all blue and smooth on the bottom. So you can imagine that this is actually like her mini pool, like a little tiny heart-shaped Andrea personal pool. And for some reason we're just putting a single little blue translucent piece there and on the start. I have no idea what that's for. It's just kind of sitting there like that, like a red herring. It's confusing. I have no idea why that's there, but we'll leave it there anyway. Okay, so we've got the coral piece all around, almost on the top, and the top we're lining with the teal piece, and the colors on this are just so vibrant, and it's pretty, and it's so summery, and it's just so fresh looking. And look at that, it is the most perfect shape for the pool, little pool. And I've just put the umbrella on the top of the little blue part because it stands it up just that bit higher so that it actually goes over Andrea's head. That's probably what it's maybe for. Probably maybe. Okay, we're doing the lid, and the printed piece with Andrea on it is so nice. It's actually got her colors. It's got that really geometric pattern that we see on all of her clothes, which is very much themed to her. So nice. Lots and lots of so nices. And underneath we got the little white pieces, which means it's going to position perfectly on the top. We can put everything in there. You hold on to that rubber ducky. She's not letting it go. We can put everything in there, and we can store it in there. Or of course we can make a scene on the top. These are the spare pieces that actually come with the set. It's always nice to have these little spare pieces. They're so useful for lots and lots of decorating. Now, it seems that the summer sets don't actually come with the stand to stand them up like the beginning of the year ones did, but you can always make your own. Okay, so she could go in her little floaty in her own little personal Andrea pool. She can have the little, she can have the ice cream in there with her, and it's just so perfect. I love the colors. They are a feast for my eyes. Okay, I need to make that a little bit taller. So that might be what that translucent blue piece was for, just to make things be a bit taller if you need them to be. That's adorable. Oh, we got the ice cream. It's in there. I can use this little hole here to put the ice cream in. And she's still holding onto that rubber ducky. She's not going to let me have it, but I think she's let go of it now. So, ready? I'm going to yoink this. Thank you. It's my rubber ducky. She's going to have to fight me for it. Okay. All right. So, Andrea and I are going to have a little bit of a biff about the rubber ducky, which I swear is mine. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of the summer sets and lots of other cool things. Make sure you leave a comment, let me know what you're enjoying at the moment, and I'll see you with a new video very soon. No, give me that back.